Next we are going with exercise 15.2. Okay, find the mean and variance of the given data. Okay, first question is given 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. Given data is nothing but xi, x. Okay, we need to find the mean and variance. Mean formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to n. N is natural number, x by n. N is nothing but number of digits. How many digits are there in the given question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, n is equal to 8. Okay, xi is given in the question. Okay, now we need to find the mean. Okay, next we need to find a variance. Variance formula is equal to sigma square is equal to summation xi. Xi is given in the question minus x bar. X bar is nothing but mean. X bar is equal to this formula. X bar is equal to this formula to the whole square by n. N is nothing but a number of digits. N is equal to 8. Okay, for variance there is another formula to find the variance. Okay, another formula is sigma square is equal to n into summation xi square. X square summation minus summation xi to the whole square, whole divided by n square. This is the another formula for variance. Okay, we can solve in both method also to find the variance. Next we will go with the tabular column. First we will find xi. Xi is equal to 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to 8. Next, we need to find x bar. How? We need to find with the help of mean. Okay, with the help of mean, we need to find xi. X bar is equal to summation xi by n. Summation xi, add everything. Summation x is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 is nothing but 72. You got 72. 72 divided by n is equal to 8. 8. You will get 9. Okay, x bar is equal to 9. You got x bar. Okay, for you got x bar. Now x bar is nothing but mean. Mean is equal to 9. Okay, mean formula is equal to summation x by n. Summation of x is equal to 72. N is 8. You got mean is equal to 9. Okay, now you need to find the variance. Okay, variance sigma square is equal to summation xi x minus x bar. Okay, x minus x bar. X bar is 9. Okay, x minus 9. X is nothing but given in the question 6, 7, 10, so on. Okay, 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. Okay, this is nothing but x minus x bar to the whole square. You will get 3 square, which is nothing but plus 9. Minus 3 to the whole square is plus 9. Then 7 minus 9 to the whole square is equal to minus 2 square. You will get 4. Okay, 10 minus 9 to the whole square is nothing but 1. 12 minus 9 to the whole square is nothing but 9. Okay, 13 minus 9 to the whole square is equal to 16. 4 minus 9 to the whole square is equal to 25. Okay, 8 minus 9 to the whole square is equal to 1. 12 minus 9 to the whole square is equal to 9. Okay, now to find the variance, you need summation of x minus x bar to the whole square. Okay, summation of x minus x bar to the whole square is equal to, add everything. Okay, 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 1 plus 9, you'll get around 74. Okay, you will get 74. Variance is equal to summation x minus x bar to the whole square by n, which is nothing but x minus x bar to the whole square summation is 74, n is equal to 8 sigma square. Okay, you will get around sigma square is equal to 9.25. Variance is equal to 9.25. Next we'll go with second question, find the mean and variance of the data. Question asked is first n natural numbers. Okay, first n natural number is the question. Okay, first you consider n natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5, so till so on to n is nothing but n natural numbers. Okay, let it be xi. Consider xi as equation number 1. Okay, you need to find mean and you need to find variance. Mean formula is equal to, mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation xi by n. Okay, okay, this is the formula of mean. Summation xi is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on plus n is nothing but summation xi. Okay, according to the formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n can be written in n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the condition. Okay, you can apply this condition here. Okay, summation xi is equal to, this can be written in n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Substitute equation number 2 in mean formula. Mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation xi by n. Summation xi is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole divided by n. N cancel. You will get n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay, x bar is equal to n plus 1 whole divided by 2. This is the mean for first n natural numbers. Okay, next we need to find variance. Variance is equal to sigma square is equal to summation x minus x bar to the whole square by small n. Okay, with this formula you cannot simplify this kind of problem. So consider another formula. Another formula is nothing but sigma square is equal to n into summation xi to the whole square minus summation xi to the whole square whole divided by n square, small n square. Okay, sigma xi to the whole square is nothing but this one. Okay, sigma xi is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. You can substitute here. How to find summation xi x square? Okay, summation xi is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on plus n. Summation xi square is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n to the whole square. Okay, next this can be written in summation xi square is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square. Okay, this can be written in summation x square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Okay, this is the summation x square. You can apply here summation x square. You can substitute summation x in the with the help of this one condition. Okay, now you substitute in variance formula. Sigma square is equal to n into sigma x square is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 minus summation x to the whole square. Summation x is nothing but n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 to the whole square. Okay, next whole divided by n square. Okay, sigma square is equal to, you can take a common, okay, n square n plus 1 2n plus 1 minus n square into n plus 1 to the whole square divided by 4 divided by 6 whole divided by n square. In both the term you can take n square n plus 1 n square n plus 1 as common. Okay, n square n plus 1 common, 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus, okay, you can take 2 common. Okay, you can take 2 common, you get 3. Okay, n plus 1, if it goes outside means n plus 1 square is there na, divide by 2 all divided by n square cancel. Okay, n square cancel, it will remain n plus 1 all divided by 2, cross multiply 2n plus 1, 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1 all divided by 6, then it will remain 1. n square cancel na. Next, sigma square n plus 1 by 2 into 4n plus 2, 2 into 2n is 4n plus 2 minus 3 into n is 3n plus 3 all divided by 6. If you take 6 outside, n plus 1 all divided by 6 into 2 is 12, then 4n minus 3n is nothing but n, 2n plus, sorry, minus is there now, minus into minus you get minus. Okay, 2 minus plus 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Okay, you will get n plus 1 into n minus 1 all divided by 2 sigma square. Okay, sigma square is equal to n square minus 1 square all divided by 12. This is the variance of the first n natural numbers. Thus it is simplified.